Okay guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to back up all your Google Chrome browser data and all of your extensions and everything concerning your Google Chrome. So let's say you are trying to update your Google Chrome and you need to back up all of this. This is how you can do it. Let's say you have multiple profiles, just like as you can see I have a lot of profiles right here. So how do you back up all of this? Now there are two methods on how to back up, and I'm going to show you those two methods now. The first one is easy, while the second one is also easy, but it will back up everything at once. So now the first one, let me show you the first one. So the first one is for you to use your Gmail account to back up all your data. So how do you now do that? You need to do it individually for each profile that you have. That is the stress of this one. So now if you see, I'm on this particular profile here, and if I just want to back up all the data, all the password, browser history and all of that, all I just need to do is to sign in through Gmail. As you can see, there's already a Gmail account right here. I'll just need to log in. You understand? If you look at it now, my backup is currently paused. Now I'll need to sync it. What I just need to do is to sign in to my Gmail account again. As for you, if you have not signed in, just sign in with your Gmail account, and I'm just going to sign in right now. Okay, so as you can see, my Gmail account is currently signed in. So what I just need to check, and now if I tap on this profile section, you can see that the sync is currently on. You understand? So if I just click on that sync, you tap on the sync, it's going to show you all of your data that are being synced. You understand? If you look at here, manage what you sync, just click on it, and it's going to show you every single thing that is being synced: your app, bookmarks, extension, history, settings, themes, and all of these are being bookmarked. If you want to create a customized syncing, probably you don't want to bookmark apps and all of that, just click on this and then select the one which you do not want to bookmark. But as for me, I am bookmarking everything. So this is the first method on how to back up all your data. So even if you reinstall your Chrome browser, when you just log into your Gmail account, it's going to sync back all of your data for you. But now, if you have multiple profiles just like me right here, you understand, it's going to be stressful for you to start syncing all of these one by one. So how do you now bypass this? That is where the second method comes into play. So now, how do you do the second method? So what you just have to do is come over to your computer and go to the C drive, your local disk, and come over to this one that says users. Then on users, just select your main computer. For me, this is it, Dell. Then you come to this one that says app data. Then go to local. On local, come down to Google. As you can see, this is Google right here. Then you come over to Chrome. And as you can see, this is user data. Then within this point, you are going to start seeing all of your profile. Let me show you right now so you get to see. Let me just align it on a list. So can you see? You can see profile, profile 1, profile 2, profile. All of these are the profiles. I have a lot of profiles. My profiles are many. So let's say you have all of these profiles. How can you now back up all of these profiles? You can see I have a lot of profiles right here. So what you just have to do is just to go back, and then you copy this user data folder and you paste it somewhere on your computer, somewhere that you can get back to it. Just copy it. As for me, I'll find somewhere to keep it. I'm going to keep it right here in documents. I'll just create a folder and I'll name it Google Profile Backup. And then I'll paste it here. It might take a long time for you to paste if you have a lot of data. You understand? So as you can see, mine is still pasting, and it might still take a bit of time before it gets to finish pasting. So if you finish pasting it right here, what do you then do? You understand? All you just have to do is to go back to that local disk area, this user data, you understand, and just ignore it, you understand? Then you go and update your Chrome. Just go and update your Chrome. It will bring in a fresh user data. Then you just come and delete it. Once you delete it, then you go back to where you saved your backup, copy that one and paste it here, and then go back to your Chrome and try to refresh. You will see your profiles available for you to use. You understand? So sometimes if you don't do it well, you might not get to see all the profiles. So ensure you follow what I've shown you in this video properly for you to achieve the same results. So these are the two ways on how you can back up your Google Chrome browser data. You understand? I hope this helps you. If you enjoyed this video and you got value from it, ensure you subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I drop videos just like this. See you on the next video.